Are you having trouble finding the right cable out of the mess to charge your different devices? Forget about the cable frustration. This is Magpine, a beautifully designed cable for your Apple, Android, and any other devices with micro USB. You can easily connect Magpine to your phone or Android devices. Easy and quick connection to different devices with just the same cable. Unlike traditional cables that always get in your way when they're connected, Magpine ensures comfortable and smooth use, even when your device is charging, thanks to the right angle design. Also, because of the right angle design, Magpine doesn't bend when it's connected, which largely decreases the chances of cable damage from long time bending. Therefore, Magpine is much more durable than other cables. Leave in a hurry but battery's still dead? No worries! With high quality and more robust wiring, Magpine charges your phone 30% faster. Of course, we all hate messy cables, but with Magpine's magnetic function, you can simply join both ends together and ready to go.